Hey everyone, welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to unbox the December Joyful Jordan box. Inside this little box of awesomeness is always a postcard, and there is a winter scene here, Christmas scene as we go into December. There is no place like home, and it has just some cute little stockings hanging there, a little nod to what's inside, it looks like. On the other side is a blip about the products that are inside, and let's start with the first one, which is what I showed you. How cute is that? So this is a Snow Place Like Home reed diffuser. For those of you that got the Joyful Jordan box last month in November, you have already smelled the Snow Place Like Home. It is rosemary, juniper, and peppermint, and it smells so wintry fresh. The little bottle here with the essential oils and a few reeds here that you can just drop right inside of there. The fragrance from the essential oils comes through the reeds and will fill up a space in your home nicely with that nice blend. It says is transform any space into a winter wonderland with rosemary, juniper, and peppermint essential oils. Place the reeds in the aromatic oil blend and even flip them to refresh the fragrance. I think that you can also purchase extra reed diffusers because this bottle will, quite frankly, take a pretty long time to use. The next item is a Sugar Plum bath bomb. This is like a puck-sized bath bomb in the popular Sugar Plum fragrance. Experience the magic as you pop it into a hot bath, releasing a soothing fizz and magnesium infusion, making every soak a 15-minute escape into relaxation. So super fun that the bath bomb actually does have a little bit of magnesium in it as well. You know that Jordan Essentials is a big advocate for the wellness properties that magnesium brings with it, and we have it in a lot of our products. Next are the Bright Eye CPR anti-aging eye gels, which CPR stands for Collagen Plump and Rescue. Surely you've seen these, they're very popular. You just put them right underneath your eyes and it can really help to refresh and rejuvenate and reduce puffiness. So this says open and place the gel packs under your puffy eyes to infuse collagen, smooth the fine lines, and reduce puffiness while boosting skin elasticity. Pair it with a warm bath from the Sugar Plum Bath Bomb. So maybe pairing these two together in a cute little bag for someone for a gift is a great idea. The other thing that you could do is maybe alongside of your bath, you have your reed diffuser going. So these three items will make a lovely gift together. The next one is the Shaylicious Shea Cherry Lip Balm, and that comes in this little tub. The Shea lip balms are so silky smooth, and it's so satisfying to open up a new container. But they're so smooth, they're so moisturizing, and this will last such a long time. Such a cute little gift. This lip balm hydrates, softens, and helps reduce wrinkles, providing a daily dose of natural care for healthy lips. And then there is a bonus item inside of here, and it is this $5 gift certificate from Jordan Essentials. This can be used on any future purchase with Jordan Essentials, so be sure that you grab this Joyful Jordan box. Also make great small gifts for the people in your life that maybe you're thinking of a little bit last minute. Actually, this quint of products is a great set to grab, and as always, the Joyful Jordan box is just $29 and the value is over $40. So no matter what you do, if you gift it as a set, which this makes a cute set all together, or if you break it up into smaller gifts, or if you take things out and pair them with other things, that maybe you think would go great with them, then that is totally up to you this gift giving season. I hope that you consider Jordan Essentials. If you have any questions or you want to check out all the other products that we have that you can maybe pair with these items here, be sure and check out the description box below, where I'll have a link to my web store and some other links for you to take a click around. Thank you so much. I hope you have a happy holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.